Hi guys, I'm Connor Martin with Technical Glass Products, and I'm currently in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada, standing just out front of the Vaughan Metropolitan Center station, which happens to feature both TGP steel-built infinity curtain wall system and TGP Fireframes curtain wall series fire-rated framing. We're going to start by taking a look at the exterior infinity curtain wall system. It was selected for this application for its ability to support tall free spans and extremely large expansive glazed areas. This allows a ton of natural daylight to flow to the interior space, as well as the below-ground concourse in the building. We're able to do this with the Infinity system because it is roughly 3 times stronger than your traditional aluminum curtain wall assembly. The Infinity system was also selected for its design flexibility. We were able to use custom steel back members and segment the curtain wall around the exterior curved opening, creating the building's signature look. As we move to the interior of the building, you will notice that TGP's Fireframe Curtain Wall Series fire-rated framing was also used for the interior main elevator shaft. Ultimately, we were able to do this in a stainless steel configuration and create a seamless transition between rated and non-rated curtain walls in the building. Again, I'm Connor Martin with Technical Glass Products. Thanks for joining me on today's session of TGP Street Talk.